Today, we're going to explore how to use proxies with GNU wget on Linux. Wget is a powerful command line tool for fetching files from the internet, and using proxies can help you mask your identity, bypass regional restrictions, and enhance performance. Let's dive in and see how you can easily configure proxies with wget. What is wget? Wget, short for World Wide Web, and Get is a free and open source program for interacting with files on the internet. It's part of the GNU project and is packed with features like batch downloads, resuming interrupted downloads, recursive downloading, proxy support, and more. Wget is popular among Linux and Unix users, but is also available for Windows and Mac OS. Using proxies with wget in Linux. Proxies are essential for maintaining anonymity, bypassing geo-restrictions, and improving performance. In this tutorial, we'll cover 4 methods to configure wget with a proxy, using environment variables, updating these files, and using the -e flag for a single terminal instance. Prerequisites. Before we begin, make sure you have a Linux environment, Ubuntu, Fedora, Debian, etc., wget installed, check by running this command, proxy server details, IP address, ports, and optional authentication. Configure proxy settings using environment variables. Setting proxy configurations using environment variables allows multiple programs to use the same proxy settings. Add the following lines to your shell configuration file. For authenticated proxies, include the username and password. Replace the placeholders with your proxy details. After adding these lines, restart your shell or run source.bashrc or source.bash_profile. Set proxies for all users by updating the etc/wgetrc file. To set a proxy for all users, you need to modify the config file located in etc/wgetrc. The wgetrc file is in an initialization file that stores default settings and options for wget. This file allows you to customize its behavior without always specifying command line arguments. To set the proxy, open the wgetrc file using your favorite text editor and add the following lines. For authenticated proxies, use the following syntax. Replace this and username password with the address, port, and authorization credentials of your proxy server. Save the file and close the editor. From now on, all wget requests made by any user on your system will use the specified proxy server. Set proxies for the current user by updating this file. To set proxy configuration for just the current user, edit the file in your home directory. Add the following lines. Again, remember to replace proxy.example.com8080 with your specified details. This method only affects wget requests made by the current user. If you switch to a different user on the same machine, these settings do not apply. Set proxy for the current terminal instance using the -e flag. To specify proxy settings for a single wget command, use the -e flag. For authenticated proxies, include the username and password in the URL. Using wget. Thankfully, using wget is simple. The general syntax for wget is as shown here. To download a file and save it with a specified name, use this. Wget also allows you to batch your downloads and download from multiple URLs in one command. To do this, you need to create a file and paste your URLs, each on its own line. After doing this, you can run the following command. If using method 4, append this to the commands. Conclusion. In this tutorial, you learned 4 methods for configuring wget with a proxy. Using proxies with wget offers numerous benefits, including enhanced privacy and bypassing restrictions. Remember to choose the right proxy services to maximize performance and reliability. Bright Data provides a range of proxy solutions that can improve your wget experience and ensure better data retrieval. While using wget with a proxy offers numerous benefits, choosing the right proxy services is essential for maximizing performance and reliability. Bright Data is a web data platform that assists companies in gathering massive amounts of structured data from the web. By using their proxy solutions, you can improve wget experience and reduce the number of failed requests, ensuring better information retrieval from the internet. Whether you're a startup or an enterprise, Bright Data helps you scrape websites and collect data using the proxy solutions and custom tools, such as Web Scraper IDE and Web Unblocker. Explore Bright Data's data center proxies, proxy server options, and pricing to find the perfect fit for your proxy network requirements. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Until next time, happy downloading.